Another thing we're asked is, can I apply for more capacity further down the line? And the answer to that is yes. If you're reapplying because you were originally restricted by the DNO, then something I'd say is that you've probably been restricted because the local grid is not strong enough at that moment in time to support your requested capacity. However, the grid is constantly being upgraded. Substations are refurbished, cabling is replaced, and new capacity is added to support the country's electrification. This means that a capacity restriction today might not be the case in 2 years. There's also no risk to reapplying. A DNO can't take away the capacity they've already granted and you've installed. The worst outcome is they simply confirm your original limit, and the best outcome is that you receive a higher allocation. As a guideline, if your system was installed several years ago, reapplying now is almost always worthwhile. If your install is recent, or you just applied and didn't get the capacity you asked for, then waiting a year or so is sensible, unless you know that local infrastructure work is taking place. If you are looking to get a solar installation or want to find out what you're able to install, Spirit Energy now offers a standalone DNO application service for £150, available whether you're getting a solar or battery install from us or not. We'll prepare and submit the full application on your behalf, as well as handle any follow-up from the DNO. We'll also interpret the results to you and explain what they mean for your future installation. If you're interested, just visit the link on screen or in the description and we can take it from there.